Hi everyone. Today our topic is application of trigonometry. To learn this application of trigonometry, you recall this six ratios: sin, cos, tan, cot, cosecant, secant, and this trigonometric value table. And new words for you going to introduce: elevation, depression. Observe here. This is horizontal line, this one is vertical line, this one is slanting line. Okay, now angle of elevation. What is mean by angle of elevation? For example, this is horizontal line. If you draw one more line above this horizontal line, you are observing from this point to here. Okay, this is a target. Now what is the angle of elevation means? The line of sight is above the horizontal line, and angle between the line, a sight and the horizontal line is called the angle of elevation. Simply above you are observing a point to your eyesight, the angle between these two lines is called angle of elevation. Angle of depression, opposite, depression, deep, inside, low, below. If you observe downside, the angle between these two lines are called angle of depression. Okay. Now, angle of elevation, angle of depression, horizontal line, vertical line, slanting line, we discussed. Application of trigonometry, exercise 12.1. First problem. A tower stands vertically. Here AB is a tower on the ground from a point which is 15 meter away from the foot of the tower. From the foot of the tower 15 meter away, a point C. The angle of elevation. Elevation means horizontal line above, elevation above, depression below, depression depth deep below. Elevation of the top of the tower is 45 degrees. What is the height of the tower? Here asked us to find the height of this tower. To do this problem, see, this is a right angle triangle ABC, given that adjacent side and one angle. To find perpendicular side, opposite side, opposite side and adjacent side. Where will come opposite side and adjacent side? In tan theta will come. Tan theta is equal to opposite side by adjacent side. For that set, we taken here tan C from point C. The explanation: let AB is the height of the tower. This AB is the height of the tower. Distance between foot of the tower and observation point C, BC is equal to 15 meter. Angle of elevation of the tower, of the top of the tower, angle C is equal to 45 degrees. Tan C you are observing from observing at point C, opposite side by adjacent side. Opposite side how much we don't know. Asked us to find the opposite side AB by adjacent side BC. Angle 45 degrees. Tan 45. 0, 1 by root 3, 1 root 3 not defined. Okay. So tan 45 1. AB don't know. By BC adjacent side 15. This 15 send is equal that side. AB is equal to 15 meters. Height of the tower AB is equal to 15 meters. Now second question. A tree breaks due to storm and the broken part bends so that the top of the tree touches the ground by making 30-degree angle with the ground. The distance between the foot of the tree and the top of the tree on the ground is 6 meters. Find the height of the tree before falling down. There is a tree, a tall tree. Due to the storm, this tree broken and fall down on the ground. The angle tree to ground is 30 degrees. Before falling this height, after falling this height. Okay. ABC is a right angle triangle. Okay. Assume that ABH from base point to AH. This one is after falling the height H. AC x meters. Then BCA 30 degrees. This angle tree to ground. Now cos, why taken here cos means cos the ratio adjacent side by hypotenuse. Adjacent side by hypotenuse. Cos 30 is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. Cos 30 value how much? Root 3 by 2. Adjacent side 6. Okay. Hypotenuse AC. Now you do the cross multiplication. AC into root 3, 2 into 6, 2 6 are 12. AC is equal to 12 by root 3. This is the hypotenuse of this triangle or the piece of tree after falling down. The length of that falling tree length 12 by root 3. Then tan, here using tan, opposite side by adjacent side. Opposite side how much? From point C, AB by BC. AB we assumed na H by BC already given in the problem 6. Tan 30 how much? 1 by root 3. Opposite side H, adjacent side 6. 1 by root 3 is equal to H by 6. Cross multiplication. 6 1 is 6. H into root 3, H root 3. H is equal to 6 by root 3 meters. Here AB and AD total the height of the tree before falling the tree. Same as it is AB plus AC is equal to BD. AB plus AC. This AB, AC is equal to how much? AD. Height of the tree before the falling down. Height of the tree is equal to AB we found. AC also we found. 6 by root 3 plus 12 by root 3. Root 3 same denominators. So we can add directly 12 plus 6 18 by root 3. In denominator place no need to keep surd means root. So rationalizing this denominator with root 3. Root 3 by root 3 if you get cancel again same value will come. So nothing problem. Root 3 by root 3. 18 root 3s are 18 root 3. Root 3 into root 3. Root 3 whole square. Square root get cancel. 3 1 is 3. 3 6 are 18. 6 root 3 meters height of the tree. Now next third problem. A contractor wants to set up a slide for the children to play in the park. He wants to set it up at the height of 2 meter and by making an angle of 30 degrees with the ground. This is very important. Where angle given in the problem? An angle of 30 degrees with the ground. See, this is the slide. This angle with the ground. One line is horizontal to ground. Another line is a slide of that playing item. What should be the length of the slide? Asked us to find the length of this slide. ABC is a right angle triangle. Height of the slide given in the problem 2 meters. Then length of the slide we don't know. Here taken sine. Why taken sine means in sine opposite side by hypotenuse. Angle we know, opposite side we know, only hypotenuse we don't know. For that sake taken sine. Opposite side 2 meters and hypotenuse don't know AC. Sine 30 1 by 2. Cross multiplication. AC 1 is AC. 2 2s are 4 meters. So the length of the slide AC is equal to 4 meters. Next, fourth problem. Length of the shadow of a 15-meter high pole. This is the pole AB, pole 15-meter height is 5 root 3 meters. This 5 root 3, this length is the shadow of this pole at 7 o'clock in the morning. Then what is the angle of elevation of the sun rays with the ground at that time? This 7 o'clock we are not using in the problem. Just he make the time, that's all. Okay. ABC is a right angle triangle. Height of the pole 15 meters and the length of the shadow 5 root 3 meters. What asked us? Find the angle. We have opposite side and we have adjacent side. Opposite side, adjacent side, whose ratio? Tan. So tan theta is equal to opposite side by adjacent side. Here asked us find the angle. For that, tan theta is equal to opposite side by adjacent side. Opposite side 15, adjacent side 5 root 3. 5 1 is 5, 5 3s are 15. 3 by root 3. In a denominator place, we are not keep root values. For that sake, rationalize this denominator with root 3. Root 3 by root 3. 3 into root 3, 3 root 3. Root 3 into root 3 whole square. Square root get cancel. 3 get cancel. Root 3 value came here. So in tan table, where root 3 value? Tan 60 is equal to root 3. Tan theta is equal to root 3. Root 3 besides tan 60. This tan get cancel. Theta is equal to 60 degrees. That's all. Fourth one also completed. Now fifth one. You want to erect a pole of height 10 meter. We want to erect a pole. Erect a pole. Set up a pole of height how much? 10 meter. With the support of 3 ropes. To standing a pole, we need to set up 3 ropes like this. 1, 2, 3. Understood? 3 ropes were fitting this pole. Each rope has to make an angle of 30 degrees with the pole. That is the important here. To make an angle 30 degrees with the pole. The angle between rope and pole is 30 degrees. What should be the total length of the rope required? ABC is a right angle triangle. Height of the pole 10 meters. Let length of each rope x meters are same EAC. Here first we find length of one rope EAC, hypotenuse. Okay. Angle made by the rope with the pole. Angle made by the rope with the pole is 30 degrees. Now we are observe from point A. What values we have? Adjacent side we have, angle we have, and need to find the hypotenuse. You observe from point A, adjacent side, hypotenuse. Where come adjacent side and hypotenuse? Cos theta or secant theta. So we are taken here cos theta is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. Adjacent side AB, hypotenuse AC. AB value 10, cos angle given 30 degrees, 10 by AC. Cos 30 root 3 by 2 is equal to 10 by AC. Cross multiplication. AC root 3 is equal to 10 2s are 20. AC is equal to 20 by root 3. Again rationalizing denominator. Wait. Length of 3 ropes. This is length of a rope. Only one rope. Length of 3 ropes is equal to 20 by root 3 into 3. 3 20s are 60. Now rationalizing denominator with root 3 by root 3. 60 root 3 whole square, square root get cancelled, 3 1s are 3 20s are 20 root 3 meters. Otherwise you can solve like this also. Root 3 is equal to 1.732. 20 into 1.732. You will get the answer. Fifth one also completed. Now, sixth one. Suppose you are shooting an arrow from the top of the building at an height of 6 meters. Means you are standing top of the building at point C. Okay. Top of the building at an height of 6 meters. This building height is 6 meters to a target on the ground at an angle of depression. Depression means deep. Assume that. Depression means deep below. You are observing downside depression of 60 degrees. Here the problem is 60 degrees from this vertical to I side or from horizontal line, this CD horizontal line parallel to AB line, this angle or this angle, that is the biggest doubt. So you don't confuse here. Always you compare this horizontal line and this horizontal line. Some cases given that angle made by with pole, with rope, then you can do that one. Okay. Now CD one horizontal line, AB one horizontal line. These two lines are parallel to each other. You assume that. Target on the ground at an angle of depression of 60 degrees from horizontal line to 60 degrees below. AB parallel line, CD parallel line. Then this DCB, this angle, and CAB, this angle, alternative interior angles equal. Not this angle 60 degrees. This angle 60, this angle 60 degrees. Then this angle 30 degrees will come. Okay. Now, angle of depression from top of building C to a target A is 60 degrees. Here 60 degrees. I explained this too. Then sin A. Why taken sin? Asked us what is the distance between you and the object. Where you are standing C. Where is object A. So we need here to find the hypotenuse. To find the hypotenuse. What given? Opposite side given. Needed to find hypotenuse. Opposite side by hypotenuse. Which ratio? Sine ratio. Sin A is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. Opposite side 6 BC 6 meters and hypotenuse don't know x sin 60 root 3 by 2 6 by x. Do the cross multiplication. X root 3 is equal to 6 into 2 12. X is equal to this root 3 doing multiplication with the x. After send outside, it will do the division 12 by root 3. Okay. Now again do the rationalize to this denominator root 3 by root 3. 12 root 3 by root 3 whole square. Square and root get cancel. 3 1 is 3, 3 4 are 12 also get cancel. Now x is equal to 4 root 3 meters. This is the hypotenuse. This is the distance between your target and you. Okay. Now seventh problem. An electrician wants to repair an electric connection on a pole of height 9 meter. The height of a pole is 9 meter. He need to reach only 1.8 meter below the top of the pole to do repair work. Means the electrician want to stand 1.8 meter below the top of the pole. So 9 minus 1.8 is equal to 7.2 meters. He want to climb only 7.2 meters of height. Okay. Next, what should be the length of the ladder which he should use? Length of ladder means hypotenuse of this triangle. When he climbs it at an angle of 60 degrees, this angle 60 degrees, ladder to horizontal means earth line horizontal to ladder angle is 60 degrees with the ground. Okay, what will be the distance between the foot of the ladder and the foot of the pole? The distance between foot of the ladder and foot of the pole. Now, height of the electric pole 9 meters. Length of the ladder CD we don't know. We want to find the length of the ladder. One question, this one. Okay. Now, height of the electric pole to repair work. How much height he want to climb from ground level to 9 meters actually height of the pole, but he want to climb 1.8 meter less the height of the pole. So 9 minus 1.8 is equal to 7.2 meters. Distance between foot of the ladder and the pole A to D. These two we are needed to find. This one and this one. Angle D is equal to 60 degrees. We have the measurements, one angle we had and one opposite side we had. Opposite side by hypotenuse, which ratio? Sine. At which angle? 60 degrees. Sine 60 is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. Sine 60 root 3 by 2 is equal to opposite side 7.2 by hypotenuse we don't know CD. So do the cross multiplication. CD into root 3 is equal to 7.2 by 7.2 into 2. This root 3 send this side. 7.2 into 2 by root 3. Now 2 2s are 4, 2 7s are 14. Do the rationalizing denominator root 3 by root 3. Root 3 whole square. Square and root get cancel. Again 14.4 by 3. 3 1 is 3. 3 4s are 12. There is remaining 2. 3 8s are 24. 4.8 into root 3. Actually root 3 value is approximately 1.732. So 4.8 into 1.732. After multiplication we got the product 8.3136 meters. This is the length of hypotenuse. Okay. Now we are needed to find the adjacent side also. Tan 60. Why taken tan 60? Opposite side by adjacent side. Opposite side AC, adjacent side AD. Tan 60 how much? 0, 1 by root 3, 1 root 3. In denominator place kept 1 is equal to 7.2 by AD. Do the cross multiplication. AD root 3, send root 3, then division 7.2 by root 3 into root 3 by root 3. Root 3 whole square, square root get cancel. 7.2 into 1.732. 3 1 is 3. 3 2 is 6, 1. 3 4 are 12. 2.4 into 1.732. Product is 4.1568 meters. This is the adjacent side of this problem. Okay. Now, 8th problem. A boat has to cross a river. A boat has to cross a river. It crosses the river by making an angle of 60 degrees with the bank of the river due to the stream of the river and travels a distance of 600 meter to reach the another side of the river. What is the width of the river? For example, there is a two edges of river, water flowing like this. Boat is here. For force of the water, this boat cannot go straight. It goes like this vertically. Understood? This vertically angle makes vertically not slanting. This is slanting angle makes 60 degrees. Then let the width of the river is AB. Making angle with the bank of river 60 degrees. Travel of boat from A to C. A to C. Actually, this is the distance AB is equal to 600 meters. but by the force of water stream it goes some more distance, so this AP is not equal to AC. This distance increased because of force of stream. Okay, AC is equal to 600 meter. Which values we had in the problem? Angle we had and hypotenuse we had. Asked us find the width of river, means adjacent side, where which ratio? Hypotenuse adjacent side hypotenuse. Adjacent side by hypotenuse means cos theta. Cos theta is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. Cos theta 60 degrees, 1 by 2 is equal to AB by 600. Do the cross multiplication. 600, 1 is 600. AB into 2. AB is equal to 600 by 2. 2 1 is 2 3 is 0 0. AB is equal to 300 meters. The width of the river is 300 meters. Actually, boat want to travel this 300 distance, but the force of water stream it traveled 600 meters. I hope you understood. Now, ninth problem. An observer of height 1.8 meter is 13.2 meter away from a palm tree. One observer stand here, or you think a boy stand here. His height is 1.8 meters. His foot to one palm tree foot, the distance is 13.2 meters. The angle of elevation of the top of the tree from his eyes. Boy bottom A, boy eyes corner is B. From eye corner B to elevation angle is 45 degrees. What is the height of the palm tree? Then what is the height of the palm tree? Here AB is equal to CE. Means total height of the palm tree is CD. Understood? Here AB boy's height or observer height, CE also same height. Okay. Now BEAC, this both distance is same. Height of the palm tree is CD. Let assume that distance between the palm tree and observer 13.2 meters. EAC is equal to BE. EAB is equal to CE 1.8 meters. Now, which values we had in the problem? 1.8 meter. This also 1.8 meter. Now we had 13.2 meters. This one also 13.2 meters. Adjacent side angle we had. We must know the opposite side. Opposite side by adjacent side means tan theta. Tan theta 45 degrees. Tan 45 1. Opposite side DE. Adjacent side BE. DE value we don't know. BE or AC both are same. Here BE also same distance. AC also same distance. So DE by 13.2. Do the cross multiplication or send this 13.2 is equal to that side. DE is equal to 13.2 meters. This value 13